Let's start your investment journey.
Hi, and welcome to another edition of our weekly market outlook report for the week starting Monday, the 21st of June. We have a quieter week ahead of us, which starts with PBOC interest rate decision and also ECB's President Lagarde's speech on Monday. On Tuesday, we should be on the lookout for Fed's Chair Powell's speech and Bank of Japan monetary policy meeting minutes. Going forward, Eurozone, UK and US manufacturing and services PMIs and also Canada retail sales, in addition to the US crude oil inventories, will be closely watched on Wednesday. On Thursday, the main point of interest is reserved for European Council meeting and also Bank of England interest rate decision and minutes. Also US durable goods orders and GDP for Q1 and jobless claims data will be published. The week will finish on Friday with US personal income and spending and also Michigan consumer sentiment. Now, let's take a look at few markets. Let's start with the Bitcoin. Bitcoin had another corrective pullback away from psychologically important 40,000 level. The key trade level going forward is at 35,500, this orange line here. If we see an oversold rally from here and a breakout above 40,000, that could signal the possibility of the oversold bounce back higher, targeting additional resistance at 42,800, 46, possibly even 47, which would be a retest of this neckline of the topping head and shoulder pattern. Alternatively, if you see a rally into 40,000 and a pullback or a gradual move lower and a loss of 32,700, that could signal a further corrective pullback to the downside, targeting additional support at 30,000, possibly even 28,230. This is DAX, so German 30, corrective pullback, a first daily candle, which looks really bearish here. But the overall trend is still intact. As long as we see a swift return and a daily close above psychologically important 15,500. A push higher could target additional resistances at 15,570, followed by 15,650, possibly even 15,800 on the upside. Alternatively, if we see a rally and a rejection or a gradual move lower, that could signal a deeper corrective pullback, targeting additional support towards 15,200, possibly even 15,000 over a long period of time. Nasdaq, we have also a corrective pullback here, but the overall trend is still intact. There was a big divergence between S&P, Dow Jones and Nasdaq after the Fed's tapering announcement. Nasdaq created a new all-time high at 14,200. Key trading level going forward is at 14,000, nice and round number, and also this rising support trend line. Pullback to that level and a rally is still bullish, potentially targeting additional resistance at 14,100, 14,200, which would trigger an extension to the upside and an attempt to create a new all-time high. Alternatively, if we see a gradual move lower and a loss of 14,000 and end of day close, that could negate the bullish scenario, potentially opening the way for a pullback to 13,900. Euro dollar corrective pullback, US dollar strength, dollar index rallied. Key trading level going forward is at 1.20. That's a major resistance at the moment. So oversold rallies into that resistance and a rejection, or a gradual move lower and a loss of this significant support at 1.1820 could open the way for the continuation of the selling pressure, targeting additional support at 1.1750, 1.17. Alternatively, we see a rally and an end of day close above 1 spot 20 that could open the way for another retest, an attempt of 1 spot 21. Cable also had a massive corrective pullback lower. We had a loss of this rise and support trend line close to 1 spot 41 area. Key trading level at the moment is at 1 spot 37.50. A rally into resistance at 139 and a rejection or a gradual move lower and an end of day close below 137.50 could open the way for a gradual move lower targeting 137, 136.50. Alternatively, we see a rally and a breakout, an end of day close above 139 that could open the way for the retest of 139.50, 1 spot 40. Dollar yen nicely uptrending, therefore US dollar strength, supported by rising trend line. The price action is creating the sequence of higher lows. Key trading level is at 109.90, 110 even number. As long as that level holds, bulls are in charge, potentially opening the way for the continuation to the upside, targeting additional resistance at 110.90, 111. Above that 112, 112.50. Alternatively, a loss and an end of day close below 110 could trigger a deeper corrective pullback, targeting additional support at 109.50, 109.30 to the downside. Gold, corrective pullback as well, slightly oversold, bounce back and another leg lower. Gold is coming to a key trading level at 1750. Pullback to 1750 and a rally, or a gradual move higher and a breakout above 1800 could open the way for a push higher targeting 1816, possibly even 1840 to the upside. Alternatively, if we see a rally into 1800 and a sell-off, or a gradual move lower, loss of 1750 and end of day close below that level, that could trigger a further corrective pullback to the downside targeting 1730, possibly even 1700. Lastly, let's talk about crude oil. Crude oil is nicely uptrending. This looks like a sideways consolidation. Key trading level is at $70 per barrel. As long as that level holds, bulls are in charge. Pullback to 70 and a rally, or a breakout above 71.60 could open the way for the extension to the upside, targeting additional resistance at 72.50, 74, 75.20. Alternatively, a push lower and end of day close below 70, a retest of that level from underneath could negate it, potentially opening the way for a deeper corrective move towards 69, possibly even 68, 67, 40. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Stay safe and happy trading. Bye for now.
Let's start your investment journey.